Hello, my name's James Hughes, Chief Market Analyst here at Scope Markets, and this is your daily briefing. Tuesday saw the UK Chancellor of the Exchequer Rishi Sunak and US Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin offer stark warnings on the state of the global economy post-pandemic. Both finance ministers spoke of the long-term economic impacts that the global lockdown would have on the economy, with both Mnuchin and Fed Chairman Jerome Powell calling for more stimulus from the US government. Appearing via video link in front of the Senate Banking Committee, the pair warned on both jobs and the fragile state of the economy, as Mnuchin stated that the ongoing lockdown risks permanent damage to the economy. This echoed the calls from Rishi Sunak in the UK, who also warned of permanent scarring to the economy after yesterday's UK jobs data. The warnings show that yet again we should be cautious of any significant upside in global stock markets. Currently, markets are rallying on the prospect of a vaccine, and a vaccine is seen as the only way the global economy recovers quickly and to the sort of level we've seen previously. Without a vaccine, social distancing becomes as equally a damaging prospect to the economy as lockdown itself. There will be key readings this morning out of the UK and Eurozone as we get the inflation numbers. The recent sell-off in oil prices has caused energy prices to plummet, which leads to short-term deflation, with the UK month-on-month figures expected to come in at negative 0.1%. However, the longer-term numbers for both the Eurozone and the UK are expected to stay in inflationary territory. Later in the day, we will get the FOMC meeting minutes, but after testimonies from Jerome Powell over the last few days, it's unlikely we will hear anything that we haven't heard before. As always, it will be the predictions on economic performance in the coming month, as well as any plan to increase the amount of stimulus pumped into the economy. Futures for the European and US Open are expected to see gains as the volatile week on stock markets continues. It seems that markets will be at the will of the vaccine headlines over the next few weeks. Anything that points to a positive news around testing will be met with significant rallies. However, we must be cautious, as media reports often lead to a more realistic version of events following shortly after.